I used this one straightforward tool yesterday to get this money. I just use a calculator and let it take care of the math if I need to. Now that I have this one easy technique in this today's video, I utilize it whenever I need money by going to the website I'm about to show you. This approach won't make you rich, but if you're just starting off, it's the best option available. This tactic is also useful if you're just searching for a way to supplement your income. I'll walk you through the entire process step by step to make sure you have a good chance of succeeding with each strategy I show you. But before we get started, welcome to Daily Cash Tips, where we'll show you some brand new ways to make money online in 2022. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and like this video. To be notified every time a new profitable video from our channel is released, click the notification bell button. Share this with your friends and family as well, so that you and everyone else is aware of this excellent money-making technique. Simply leave a comment below if you have any queries, worries, or thoughts regarding the video. We look forward to reading them. The first of the 3 stages to making $450 per day for free is to learn how to use the technology that will make you money. The second thing I'll do is reveal the precise website where you can find the money. And the third thing I'll do is personally reveal the way I make $1,000 a day. But that will come as a bonus at the conclusion of the video, so be sure to watch it all the way through. Therefore, the first tool we'll use is this one, which makes money but isn't a website that will pay you. Name of this tool is brandcrowd.com. This application is a logo generator, and as you are aware, brands like McDonald's, Pepsi, and Coca-Cola all have recognizable logos. These logos are human creations. Now, owing to technology, there are tools and programs that create logos for you, and I'll show you exactly how to use them before pointing out where you can go to start getting paid for creating free logos. Now that this software is available for free, let's create a stunning logo in a matter of seconds. I'll demonstrate how it does this for you. Now, what we're going to do is write a business. Like, let's just assume it's a laser tag business. It reads, "Welcome to Brand Crowd, the world's #1 logo maker. Try it for free." We're just going to type laser tag, make a logo, and watch what happens. Now, as you can see, this is a very cool website. It automatically generates hundreds of logos for us, and we can just choose the one we like. There are a ton of them down here if you scroll down, but let's choose the one that makes the most sense. I choose this one because I like it, and when we click it, the logo is already created, as you can see. The logo would immediately change if we change the name to something like Digital Cash Flow, as you can see. Now that we have the option to modify the colors, we might as well add a background like a black or orange one. We are able to do that and, if we so choose, alter the logo's color, which come in a wide variety. When we're finished, we can simply press Save Progress to end the process. We create a logo in a matter of seconds. You may be ruminating to yourself right now. We created logos in a matter of seconds, but how do we actually get paid for them? I'll demonstrate this to you in a moment. So, once you click download, the logo will be downloaded to your computer, phone, or other device from which you are accessing this page. As you can see, this program is really easy to use and completely free. So create your account and then head over to Designhill.com as instructed. This website is now a place where companies may go to obtain the ideal services for their enterprises, including logo creation. Therefore, organizations like McDonald's and other major enterprises that are releasing new items and require logos made will come here and order logos from this website. You may be asking yourself, how does this assist me? I will now demonstrate where on this platform you can submit logos and receive payment. As a result, as you can see, trusted by more than 100,000 enterprises including BBC, Microsoft, Ticketmaster, and WinZip. Therefore, there are multi-billion-dollar companies coming here and investing in this platform for me and you to just use. You should now go all the way to the bottom of the page where you will notice a small section here that reads Company followed by Services. I want you to click on the second item here, which is Graphic and Logo Design Contests. You'll be taken to this page after clicking that, where you can see competition for logo and graphic design. Now that we have created an account on this website, we can begin entering our logo into all of these competitions. Anthony Smith is paying $399 over here, and it's needed that a mutual fund have a similar logo. They're paying $449, And if you scroll down, you'll discover that a landscaping logo design company is here costing $399 for a logo. If you look over here, they have 20 winning entries. Only 93 people entered the contest, meaning individuals like you and me participated and choose the winning logo. So, you're going to enter this contest with your logo in the hopes of winning $399. Now that there are only 93 submissions, your chance of winning is 1 in 93, which is incredibly great, especially if you enter each and every one of this contest and submit a quick logo that you created from Brand Crowd in a matter of seconds. So that's a fantastic place to start. Although there is a more lucrative website that pays up to thousands of dollars for logos, which I'll mention in a moment, this is unquestionably the one you want to start with. If you scroll down, you'll see that there are 1,303 pages of logo competition paying anywhere from $200 to $699. So if you have about 30 minutes per day, you can submit at least 30 to 50 logos to these design competitions and pick the ones with the fewest entries, like this one, which had 63 entries as opposed to the landscaping logo design, which had 93. As a result, I would search for competition with fewer than 100 entries and a higher probability of winning, which is a great place to start. There is plenty of work for you to do and plenty of money to be redeemed on this site, which comprises 1,303 pages. Now, this website over here pays the highest. You'll go to 99designs.com/contest to get to this place, which is named 99designs.com. You're going to filter the results, so I'll click Display Filters and enter a maximum price of, say, $2,000 and a minimum price of, say, $700. This will bring up all of the businesses that are paying over more for you to create a logo for them. As you can see, the price keeps going up and so do our chances of winning. This one pays $1,699, this one pays $1,399, this one pays $1,500, and this one pays $1,400 to $4.99, and this one pays $1,400 to $499. This one not only had one design, it had no designs at all. Just one design was submitted, so you could navigate this website, and I enjoy this website since it truly displays the number of designs that have already been entered so you can gauge your chances of winning these competitions. That's it for now. I hope this video was able to teach you something and that I was able to show you a different way to make money online. Please remember to hit the like button and subscribe to this channel if you enjoyed this video. You may be notified when we upload new videos by pressing the notification bell button. Watch for our upcoming video and I'll see you there.